Make sure you stand till the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, this generation right here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find the fuse for the heated mirrors where it's located, you guys may need to check up to 4 different fuses depending on the options, package and what year it is. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So the heated mirrors fuse, where you can expect to find it, we'll demonstrate guys on this generation Ford Escape right here. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. You guys have 3 different fuse boxes and today we will work actually in 2. The first one is in the trunk. Open the trunk. Right here on the right side you have that cover that you need to open. Once you open it, you get to a fuse box layout that will look like this one here. Now before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the heated mirrors guys, 2 fuses need to be checked here. One of them is fuse number 2, that 15 fuse right here. The fuse amperage might differ depending on what year Ford Escape you have and what package, option package you have as well. The other one that you may need to check is fuse number 46 right here. And after that you need to go ahead guys, okay, and you need to open the hood on your Ford Edge. Once you open the hood, right here on the right side you have a fuse box under this cover. Go ahead, open it, and you will see the engine fuse box layout that will look like this one. Here we'll need to check more fuses and you wonder which ones. Okay, the first one will be known as fuse number 30 guys. Fuse number 30, okay, will be that fuse right here. If you have that option, or if the year is different, you may not have it. The other one that you need to check is fuse number 47. So 47 guys, okay, that's 45, 47 right here. You will need to check this fuse guys, okay, right here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.